Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is March 30th, 2026. I am here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day and for folding laundry day. Because really, if you're going to do laundry, it's not complete unless it's put away. Although I tend to do a lot more of this hanging thing than I do of the folding thing. And oh my goodness, I don't even own an iron right now. If I ever get back into sewing, which I want to do, I will have to get an iron, especially if I do quilting. Right now, I am iron free and loving it. Okay, so I am going to use the word crisp as my inspiration word for the day. That's what I think of when I think of folding laundry. Oh, we got a C here. Nice. Now let's see what we didn't use as far as the common letters. We've got R, S, T, L, N, E, other vowels A, O, U, and sometimes Y. So, I want to do Leighton, but I don't think that's, oh, it is a word. Oh, why did I not know that that was a word? I was thinking of latent, but I didn't have enough space. So Leighton is a word. Look at that. We got another E. I mean, we got another letter and it's an E. Ooh, now I'm thinking maybe there's two E's in there. So where's that T going to go? It can go either here or here. So I'm thinking it's going to go at the end. What if it goes here? What is this going to be? Well, first of all, we got rid of the A. That was nice. Leighton. Latin? Leighton? I don't know how to pronounce that. So we've got, I'm going to take out the Y because I think the T goes there. So we need to try an O or a U. And I'm thinking if we do an O here, what could this be? Covet. What else could it be? Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, wait, no, comet. Now, just in case, if we do a U here, what could this be? Oh, and I did try a T there, so I don't have to worry about that, but maybe a C. Coquette? Not quite spelled the right way. Okay, so a U there would get us... Shoot. Because, oh, what about another E? We haven't tried the E there. I like it when there's more than two, so I don't have to do a coin flip. And I don't have to just guess. And I don't know which one would go with this, but I'm going to take a look here. So if there's an E, what could it be? I think it's covet or comet. Now, I mean, there is a chance that the T could go here. I don't see what kind of chance it is. I think we did get those. I don't even think I have to keep that as an option. I think it's covet or I think it's comet. Comet is a cleaning product, so I think of crisp. Covet, I covet people's clean things, but I don't want to. I think I have to do a coin flip. So we're going to say covet is heads, comet is tails. I'll be right back right before I flip. Okay, so I do have the coin flipper here, and I'm not going to go straight with comet, even though it landed on tails. I realize why I don't like to start this. Then you get to see all of my private information, which isn't, I'm not a terribly private person, but it has like where I bank listed, things like that in my history if I don't start on this screen itself. So I'm going to go back to doing it this way. So, and I tried to play around with things and like move it so you couldn't see some things, but that didn't work. I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to flip again and I'm going to do, hold on, covet is heads and comet is tails. So it's tails again. So I'm going to try comet. Let's get rid of that. And we will try comet. Oh. So we haven't used the O yet. We haven't used the M yet. We have the C and the E and the T. If it's not that, it's going to have everything except the M, and I'm going to do covet, right? Oh, we got it. Okay. Hey, it's another 3. I do like it when it's 3. 3 feels almost more satisfying than a 1 or a 2. Because a 1 or a 2 freaks me out. But a 3, I'm like, cool, I got it in 3. All right, so let's go on to our Quordle. I'm going to put in 4 standard words. This will give me 20 unique letters and hopefully a lot of help to solving the puzzle. I'm going to put in fishy, budge, clown, I like the green, tramp. Well, the green stopped. I think this is going to be ditty. It could be ditzy though, and with all the Z's that we had in connections today, because I did connections before this, I'm going to hold off. Okay, so scone. S could go here, C could go here, N could go here. Let's just take a look at this. Could we flip this around? Snose. Yeah, no, it's got to be scone, I think. Scone. Then we've got a C here. Chess. C, H could go here, E could go here, and we could have a double S. Chess. Nice. And then this. A lot. A, L, L, O, T. Like an allotment. You're going to allot you're going to allot a lot. A-L-L-O-T. I think so. I'm going to try it. Good, because I don't know if this is going to be ditty or ditzy. D-I-T-T-Y is what I'm going to try first. Oh, it was ditty. All right, worried there for nothing. So that's it. Chess, scone, a lot, ditty. That is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.